So let's go, people. Let's leave our trailer here, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I do when I need to leave the trailer somewhere. There are my cables, but first of all I'm gonna do the brakes. I'm gonna pull the brakes. The brakes are here behind the trailer on the back, and then I have like a red one. I just need to pull it, and now I need to open the kingpin. The kingpin, I will go to the other side of the truck, and then I have the pin just like here. I just need to push it to the front, and now it's open. All right, then I will go to the truck, and then I have the joystick. With the joystick, it's here. Just gonna press the button here and just gonna put it up just a little bit. Yeah, it's enough. All right. Yeah. And then, guys, let's put the trailer with the foot. Just pull it and turn it, just like lock side, and just put the feet on the floor. All right, I'm gonna leave just like this. And then disconnect the cables. First of all, we have like a yellow one and a red one. The red one is the danger one. That's why we need to disconnect first of all the red one. Just disconnect the red one, and then you can disconnect the yellow one as well. But remember, just like the red one is the danger one, just disconnect the red one first of all. And then just gonna put it here. Yeah, and then the cables, it doesn't matter how. You can disconnect one or the other one. It's alright how you do it. It doesn't matter at all. Alright, my joystick. Let me drive just a little bit forward. Alright, and stop. And then I will put it down. All the way down, and then you see everything is done, everything is clear. As you can see, it disconnected everything. It's all right. Now I can drive and pick my next one. I'm gonna pick a new one, guys. Today is the day. So let's go. And before I drive with the suspension, it's just like down, you just press the green button here, and it's gonna put on the driving modus. Now I can drive, and I'm gonna pick the new one, guys. And now I just drove under my trailer. All right, what I need to do, first of all, I need to check the brakes, if the brakes are pulled. If not, maybe the trailer rolled. Yeah, it's pushed. And now what I need to do, just grab my joystick, and let's put the wheel against the trailer, just like this, you know. It's all right. And now I can drive back until we hear like something like click. Let's do it. Okay. And now let's plug all the cables, guys. It's really important that you go under the trailer. Just look under the trailer and just see the iron behind the bar. Just look if it's closed. If it's closed, it's all right. You know, I saw it, it's closed, it's all right. Now we need to put the cables. First I'm gonna plug the electricity just right here, and this one just right here. You know, this one doesn't come on this side because the plug is a little bit different than the other one. That's why the plugs, they only plug in one side. And now, first of all, the yellow and the red one is the less, because the red one is the danger one. So the danger one will come as last one. The red, we put it, oh, it's everything rolled here. Yeah, unroll this one. All right. And now the red one at the end. First of all, the yellow one, and on the end it's gonna be the red one, guys. The red one, it's always the last. The first to take it out and the last to put it in. Let's do a light test. Okay, I'm gonna put it, lift it on, lift it just a little bit. And now my brakes. My brakes and foot. All right. can just hide. Does look really nice, guys. Brand new. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Great. Wow. Oh, it smells like brand new. Brand new. Oh, great. Great. I'm happy, guys. Really happy. I can press the green button and I'm gonna take the keys off. Gonna take the keys off and then I will press the button here for the lights. I will do like light check. It's gonna be one white here and the yellow one, another yellow one, another yellow one, another yellow one. It's gonna be white on the back, it's gonna be red, red, yellow on the side. So let's look. We have just press the button again. Let's retest. All right. That doesn't show off. Lights, lights, yeah. All right, it's working. It's everything working. Just look at it, guys. That's, yeah, great. Great.